Hi guys, so today we are making restaurant quality orange chicken that's crispy, sticky and bursting with all that sweet and tangy flavor you crave. This isn't just any orange chicken, this is the recipe that will make you ditch delivery menu forever. No more greasy disappointing boxes. I'm going to show you the game-changing secret for epic crispiness that lasts. A sauce that's perfectly balanced, not too sweet, not too sour, and how to get that beautiful, amazing orange flavor. Seriously, if you thought making this at home, it's not too hard. So grab your apron, preheat the oil, and let's get cooking. You are about to become an orange chicken legend. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 500 grams chicken, boneless and cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, 4 tablespoon corn flour, 4 tablespoon plain flour or maida, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 whole egg. Add water just enough to make a thick batter. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the batter is nice and thick. It nicely coats the chicken pieces. Make sure it is something like this. Then rest it for half an hour. Then take 2 fresh oranges. Make sure you use the oranges which are juicy. Then simply zest 1 orange. You need 1 orange zest for this recipe. It will give even more orange flavor to the chicken. Then leave the orange zest aside to use it later. Then simply squeeze out the orange juice. Make sure you nicely squeeze it. Do not waste any orange juice. Then strain the orange juice. Use a spoon to squeeze the remaining. You don't want to waste any amount. When ready, leave it aside to use it later. Then simply deep fry the chicken which was kept to rest. Make sure the oil is medium hot. You do not want it to be too hot. Also make sure the flame is on medium. Then fry the chicken pieces until it is nice and crispy and golden brown. Cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep mixing it regularly as you want to cook the chicken evenly. So as you can see that the chicken has perfectly cooked. It is nice and crispy and golden brown. Make sure it is something like this. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. Then to make the orange chicken, in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons butter, 4 garlic cloves chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, and then fry it for a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon dry chili flakes and fry it for a minute. Then add 4 tablespoons sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons light soya sauce, half tablespoon rice wine vinegar, and cook it for a minute. Then add the fresh orange juice, add the orange zest, and then give it a nice mix. Then add half tablespoon brown sugar, add the slurry. To make the slurry, add 2 tablespoon water and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Then give it a nice mix. And cook it until it gets nice and thick. As you can see, that is getting nice and thick now. Make sure it is something like this. You need the consistency of the sauce to be something like this. You want it to be like a thick sauce which will easily coat the chicken. Then add the cooked chicken, add handful of chopped spring onion green, add 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds, and then give it a nice mix. Cook it until the sauce nicely coats the chicken. Then cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes on a low flame. Then give it a nice mix. So the orange chicken is ready now. And there you have it, guys. Just look at that glaze. It's thick, it's glossy, and it's clinging to every single piece of chicken. No pools of watery sauce here. Even with the sauce, it is still incredibly crispy. That cornstarch crust is a game changer. If you make this, you are never going to be back to the mall food court version. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you are craving this right now. Do not forget to subscribe for more easy dinner recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.